Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Haven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding province of Quebec and their online recruitment efforts that has been started by the province of Quebec now. Quebec is restarting its foreign worker recruitment campaign with the help of local employer and their various offices around the world. Government of Quebec and its various employment agencies, employers, like the big employers in the province, are gradually resuming their international recruitment effort, including the Quebec Day program that has been started a couple of years ago, which will bring together businesses. They are seeking to hire international foreign workers. Quebec is they are starting holding online recruitment efforts and campaign that will be targeting foreign workers to help employment to help better employment opportunities for foreign trained skilled workers and to fill the labor shortages and to support the province post pandemic economic recovery plan that has been initiated by the Immigration and the Economic Ministry in the province of Quebec. This new uh, restarted plan recruitment is called Quebec Days and will be led by the Ministry of Immigration and the Economic Ministry and with their network representative in various locations around the world. If we look in Africa, it's Dakar, Hong Kong, Los Angeles, Mexico City, New York, Paris, and Rabat. The event that has been planned over the next few months, uh, I will also put all these detail in the description below where you guys can find out and where will be these events will be happening and the dates. I will simply tell you from October 19 to November 6, recruitment mission by Montreal International in information technology, video games, and artificial intelligence. Various IT professionals will be hired from October 26 to 30. Quebec Tunis stays in health and multi-sector. Uh, Same in on November 3 to 6. Quebec Sao Paulo days in health sector only. November 17 to 21, Bogota Days in Health and Multi-Sector Recruitment. November 30 to December 5, Quebec Paris Days in Europe in health and different various other sectors. Mostly at this moment, Quebec is finding a huge shortage for skilled worker and employment in healthcare sector, especially if we look and the nursing aides and orderlies, information technology, especially artificial intelligence, game designing, and programming part, they are in high demand at this moment. The third sector is the construction worker, and the fourth one is the transportation driver, like the truck drivers, heavy duty truck drivers. So all these few categories are in great demand right now, and the government of Quebec has been pressurized by the local employer to start this program from couple of months before. So because of the pandemic, they have postponed this, but now the plan is out already. So they are going online, and I will also share one of the website in the description where you can go and find more detail about it if you want. So from there you can simply contact with the employers, or how there will be all the information about how you can send your resumes and all the other detail. So these are the few dates. I'll put it under there. But for the healthcare, like nurses aides, orderlies, pharmacists, pharmacy technician, these all are in great demand at this moment in Quebec. IT sector is in huge demand. Programming, artificial intelligence, game designing, and all those other sectors. Construction worker and the truck driver. So if you are any of these one, you can simply go over there and try to find some ways how you can connect with the employers and get your dream true for coming to Canada on a work permit. And after that, there's a simple process. If you follow the rules and regulation, PR is not that hard to get in Quebec also. So that was a little update regarding Canadian immigration. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.